Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, as always, welcome back. So before I jump into this video, I just would like to say that this video is in collaboration with Mrs. Amaechi from the Amaechi tribe. Her name is Wanda. She is such a beautiful person. She has 4 grandsons that she is raising, and I love watching her channel. I love watching her interact with them. I can relate because I am a grandmother myself. So you guys, after you get done watching my channel, go over and check her channel out. Let her know that Tony sent you, and I will leave all her information down in the description box below. And yeah, I'm going to let her introduce herself right here.
Hi, my name is Wanda. I'm a grandmother raising my grandsons full-time. Over on my channel, you can find videos such as cleaning motivation, organization, grocery hauls, cooking, and so much more. When you finish watching this video, head on over and check us out on the Amaechi tribe. You'll be happy that you did.
Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm going to start on this end right here with my grocery haul. This is from Walmart. So I got the Great Value 100% orange juice. I have a Minute Maid berry punch. A small spaghetti sauce flavored with meat. I have 2 cans of chili beans. Some evaporated milk. 2 cans of tomato sauce, a bag of parboiled rice. To move over, I have salmon, 2 packs of McCormick chili mix, the large bag of medium shrimp, and I have a 4 cheese DiGiorno pizza back there, the real bacon, Mexican cheese, French toast, buttermilk waffles. I don't know if my grandkids is coming over this weekend, y'all. They know my weekends off, so I'm just prepared if they come over or not. Got a pack of ground meat. Moving over, I have 3 packs of Mexican rice, banana nut bread. Got some Spanish rice right here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I got some more granola. Bag of sugar. 4-pound bag of sugar. Some of these chocolate granola bars. Got a small bag of potatoes. And some peas right here. 2 bell peppers and some bananas. Moving over, I have the Power Wash. Got some dishwasher Cascade Platinum. I bought a little muffin pan for my the banana nut bread. Then I also got a bleach laundry detergent. I'm gonna put all these groceries away. see what it is. Oh, they squeezed this big comforter in this little box. Y'all, I got this comforter from Bed Bath & Beyond for $144. And I got it in king size, which I don't mind the comforter being king, but the sheets, I don't know how I'm gonna work that, but I figured out I was gonna send it back or take it to the store to see if I could return it there. But I don't know yet. I'll leave the link down in the description box below. I don't know if I saw one like this on, this is what it looks like right here. This is really cute. But I saw some comforter sets, 8 pieces like this one at Home Goods for like $69. I was like, dang, I got ripped off. But you know, it is what it is. It's whatever. It's whatever. Let me see the prices on here. So yeah, you guys, that's what this is. And I'm not going to put it on my bed right now. I'm going to wait until I'm buying piece by piece to redecorate my room. So yeah, I'm going to wait till I get everything. That's including some more side tables. And I'm debating on some colors. I really like that yellow. But I think that I'm going to leave the yellow to downstairs, like maybe in the living room and in the kitchen area. And probably the dining room. Like everything down here, I'll probably throw some yellow in there. And in this bathroom right here, I'll probably throw some yellow in that turquoise bluish looking color. I can't think of the correct, I don't know the name of the color. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting that in this bathroom right here. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm about to clean up this kitchen, wipe down the counters, and I'm gonna cook dinner. And then I'm gonna clean my bathroom and this bathroom. This is what I'm doing to get my weekend started, so I can go into the weekend with a clean house. And I just told you I didn't know if my grandkids was coming. One of them just called and said she'd be here in 5 minutes. I knew she was coming. They know my days off, y'all. So I don't mind. And y'all, I'm gonna take my name off this box. I was gonna break it down. I'm gonna take my name off because our HOAs over here, they do not play, y'all. If they see your name out there on anything, you're getting a $100 fine off the rip. They don't care about no explanation because you know better. So y'all always take my name off my boxes. If I don't break them down, I'm not breaking it down today because I'm about to put some stuff in it that I had to throw away, like that Ninja and stuff. I still got it. I didn't have the manufacturer's a warranty, so yeah, I'm just gonna throw it away. And I'm not worried about getting another one because I really didn't use that one. I'm just mad that it don't work just because if I wanted it, you know, I had it, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I took my name off this box. So guys, that's the end of this video. I made some chili. And what all do you eat with your chili? Do you make cornbread, Dick, or Jamila? Say hi, Mama. Hi. She just got dropped off. So I'm making some rice. We eat rice with ours. Some people eat cornbread. Some people don't eat anything, or crackers or whatever. But I eat rice with mine. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to go follow Miss Amaechi's on her page. And thank you all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Bye.